We all have loved books, whether it was reading a textbook in the school for giving exams or whether it was a comic or a novel that we read. I'm sure everybody has got touched with authors, and maybe you wondered one day you can also become an author. Yes, it is possible to not only become an author but also a best selling author, and there is a process to it. Yes, this is Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai here, and I have written 17 books on Chanakya, and I have made sure that each of my book reaches out to a global audience. So friends, if you want to know the secrets of how to write a book and make it a bestseller, this is the workshop for you. Yes, I have written this particular book also, how to write a book and make it a bestseller. And remember, a lot of things which is actually not in the book that I'm going to be sharing. In this 3-day online workshop, I'm going to be sharing 3 different processes. First, how to write a book, the starting problem most of you have about writing. Second is finding a publisher, working with the publisher, working with the manuscript. And the third and the most important, marketing it and making it a bestseller. When 11 years ago, I wrote my first book, that is Corporate Chanakya, I was quite surprised and amazed that this book is going to be becoming a national bestseller and it has sold millions of copies. And I believe that this knowledge and the experience should be shared with everyone. So here is an opportunity to actually understand how the book industry in India works and how you can climb the ladder of success by sharing your story with others. Yes, friends, I'm looking forward to participate and to share with each person what kind of a journey an author goes through. So join me in this particular program, and you can find all the contact details and booking details in the social media, and we will together make sure we all become successful authors.